Here I have Nokia 5710XA, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So firstly you should go to menu, then go to contacts, tap on this button here, select copy contacts, then select where from, in our case from SIM card, then select where to our phone. So here you can select which contacts you want to transfer, like you can tap here and select all, then tap here to confirm, and after that these contacts will appear on your device. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.